Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I really hope all of you are well, and if you are seeing my face for the very first time, I am Reena and I do these beauty, fitness and lifestyle related videos. So if you are new, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so I keep on making videos and YouTube keep on providing you with notification. So guys, in this video we are gonna discuss about charcoal peel off mask in detail, what it is, how to use it, what are the precautions that you should take, is it for sensitive skin people, is it painful, and everything about it in detail. So make sure that you watch the video complete till the end. I'll clear all of your doubt, and that's it with the intro guys. Let's continue with the video. So guys, everyone is going crazy over peel off charcoal mask and why is it so and why they are being used in so many beauty products. Because of their numerous skin benefits, it can basically remove all your dirt, dust, bacteria as well as blackheads, whiteheads and unwanted hair. And who doesn't want that? If they are coming with so many skin benefits, so why not anybody use them? That is why they are being used so much in the beauty products nowadays. Also guys, when I was researching about this topic, there were so many doubts and people were asking so many things. So I thought of discussing them first, then we will move to the next part of the video where we'll see that how to use it and how you can make it, which we will discuss later. But firstly, I have written down the questions on this paper, so I'll see the question and then answer you guys. So guys, first is that mostly people ask is, can sensitive skin people do it? Yes, sensitive skin people can easily do it, but make sure that you do a patch test on your nose on or your jawline and you can see if there is any reaction. So please do not do it, and if it works fine for you, because I am also from the sensitive skin and I have been using it from years, so it works well for me. So yes, it may affect you or may not, but I don't think it will have any side effect, but still do not take a risk. Please do a patch test. Now another question that people ask is, it painful? Yes, it is painful, same like waxing, but the pain depends. That some people have like hell lot of pain and some can bear the pain. That depends upon your hair growth. If you have so much facial hair, of course the pain will not be bearable and you will gonna feel so much of pain. But if you have less hair growth, then you can bear that pain. So that depends upon your hair growth basically. But of course the pain is worth the effort, because the result you will see will be really good, which I'll show later in this video. So next is it remove all the dirt, dust, blackhead, whitehead and your facial hair? No, nothing works 100%, but I can say it works 90%. It removes 90% of your blackhead, whiteheads and of course your unwanted hair and oil and bacteria and everything. But yes, 10% is still left, but 90% is also a lot. So yes, you can give it a try. And yes, next is you should use charcoal peel off mask or make it home by buying charcoal powder from the market. Depends, because if you are buying charcoal powder from the market, then you can use it for your hair, you can use it for face, you can use it for your teeth. It has so many other uses. But if you are buying charcoal peel off mask, then you can only use it on your skin and it will be more expensive. So it depends. I'll mostly go for the powder one. You can also buy charcoal peel off mask if you. So guys, these were the questions that I found while I was researching for the topic. If you have any other questions, so please mention in the comments. Now move to the next part, that how to make it and how to use it. So let's move. So guys, for making charcoal mask, you will need to use plastic utensil. Please do not use metal utensils. Then take a little bit of charcoal powder. You can buy it online or from a local shop. It depends on you. I'll provide you link in the description box. After that, you have to add Fevicol, or you can actually use any face glue. That depends on you, and then you have to mix everything very properly. Next is how to apply it. Before applying, make sure that you take a steam or rub hot towel on your face. What it will do, it will just open up your pores and the charcoal mask can easily extract out your blackheads, whiteheads or any dirt or oil on your face. Just take the steam for like 1 to 2 minutes and then just clean it with the help of towel. After that, you just have to apply it all over your face, but make sure that you leave your eyes and lips area. after applying, you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry it off. When the mask dries off, just start taking it out and do it on small area. And you can also stretch your skin if you are feeling the pain, and you have to do it in a U shape. You can stretch your face with one hand, as I was holding a mirror, so I was just doing it one hand, and you have to remove it in a U shape like that. Also make sure that you start from the lower portion, not from your forehead, and keep on doing the same motion from both the sides and keep on removing it. It can be a little bit painful for you, but please make sure that you stretch your skin. It will be less painful, and just remove the way I have shown you in this video. So now I have removed the mask, but there are a little bit of it left, so I'll wash my face and then meet you guys. So now you can see that my face is looking a lot more clear. It has removed all the blackheads, whiteheads, as well as the small hair which was there. So guys, if your skin develop little bit of redness or anything like that, so make sure that you use a moisturizer, or you can also use ice. So that's it for the video guys. I really hope you liked it and it was helpful for you, and if it was, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And that's it for the video guys. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye and take care of yourself and as well as your family.